We live in a time of constant change. The world is moving at an ever faster speed, and so are the global economies. Those days when the most powerful countries seem to be immune to economic crises and bubbles are gone. After the pandemic, many people became aware of how unpredictable the economy can be, and many decided to look for ways to invest. According to data from Dow Jones and Company's subsidiary, MarketWatch, the stock market's capitalization hit an all-time record of $95 trillion at the end of 2020, after a drop across all global markets. In the face of uncertainty, many people have seen great economic relief by investing in the stock market. According to CNBC News, the stock market has doubled its numbers since March 2020, and also during the pandemic, investing in the stock market represented the main source of wealth creation in the United States. In case you're wondering how to invest in the stock market, the answer is simple: through brokers or investment platforms, which allow you to put part of your money in the stocks of different companies around the world. These platforms have been registering a great increase in the flow of users, like Robinhood, a broker that during the last 2 years has registered the creation of more than 10 million new accounts. If there's something important that we must highlight, is that investing no longer means having large sums of money available, and that's why we have compiled 5 digital platforms that allow you to invest less than $20 in shares. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Novarise, your channel for financial education. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. TD Ameritrade, a platform that is part of the Forbes Advisor selection. According to its experts, this platform also takes the title of Best Online Broker for Beginners. TD Ameritrade offers useful educational and informational resources on how to invest and current movements in the stock market. Their customer service is also very helpful. So if you have any problems with the platform, you will receive great support. This will be a great option for you if you are a beginner investor. TD Ameritrade also offers news and research articles from Reuters, Dow Jones, and Credit Suisse. With this platform, you'll be able to receive a daily report in your email hours before the market opens to review the analysis from their experts, the market movements, and other interesting updates. This broker also allows you to invest with less than $20. In addition, they have a list of stocks, ETFs, and other investment options that do not charge you any type of commission for putting your money in them. A great factor that should be highlighted by TD Ameritrade is that they developed an investment simulator called Paper Money, where you can make investments with fictitious money to practice your investment strategies without any risk. Fidelity. This broker was founded in 1946, and throughout history, it has managed to adapt very well to the new technological trends in the world. Forbes Advisor chose it as the best online broker in February 2022, mainly due to the versatility it offers to long-time investors or for people who are just starting to join this market. According to Forbes, one of the biggest pros of Fidelity is that it does not charge commissions when you send funds from the platform to your bank account, being one of the few in the market that offers this benefit. In general, this broker is characterized by its low fees and commissions. This platform does not impose a minimum deposit, so you can invest less than $20 in the stocks of your choice. Fidelity also has a very useful mobile app where you can track your investments, buy new stocks, transfer money to your bank account, make deposits, and many other options that make it one of the most versatile investment apps. An important fact to consider about Fidelity is that it is only available to residents of the US. Webull. This investment platform has been gaining popularity in the recent years, thanks to the great benefits it offers to its users. One of the most attractive factors of this broker is that you can buy stocks and ETFs that are part of their preferred list without any commission. Webull does not have a minimum deposit limit on its platform, so you can invest less than $20 if you want to. Its graphs are very useful and clear, and will help you to see the evolution of your stock portfolio in real time. The interface of its platform is very user-friendly, so if you're a beginner in the world of stock market investments, it could be the ideal one for you. In addition to that, financial data is a fundamental part of an investor's life. With this broker, you will be able to find updated news, analysis, and other sources of information to make decisions about your investments. Interactive brokers. This broker, created in 1993, was chosen at the end of 2021 as the platform with the lowest margin rates of the market, according to Investopedia. On top of that, it is also part of the Forbes Advisor selection as the best broker to invest in 2022. Among its biggest pros highlighted are low commissions, an intuitive platform with great technological tools, and an extensive list of stocks and other products to invest in. One of the factors that makes IBKR stand out is the access it provides to global investment markets. Interactive brokers makes it possible to buy shares almost anywhere in the world, giving you access to markets ranging from the Mexican Derivatives Exchange to the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. In total, you will have access to more than 130 markets distributed in 33 countries. Another noteworthy element of interactive brokers is that it allows access to investors from almost anywhere in the world. In total, there are more than 200 countries and independent territories from where you can access this platform. Its offices are distributed throughout countries such as the US, Switzerland, Canada, Australia, Hungary, Russia, Japan, India, China, Estonia, Singapore, Ireland, and several more. Like all the brokers on our list, you can also invest less than $20 with interactive brokers, since they do not impose a minimum deposit. Charles Schwab. Another investment platform that stands out in the Forbes Advisor selection is Charles Schwab, mainly because of the excellent customer service they provide. To choose the broker with the best service, Forbes experts presented different questions and complaints that were resolved in minutes by this platform. It is remarkable to see a private chat on its website that is attended by a human operator who responds almost immediately. There's no investment minimum deposit with Charles Schwab, so you can invest less than $20 in the stock of your choice. They also have a list of stocks, ETFs, and other products in which you can invest without commissions. Another notable factor of this firm is that you won't need to pay commissions to transfer your money from the platform to your bank account. US News conducted an analysis of this platform, noting that it's hard to find a category of investors who wouldn't profit from opening a Schwab account. In total, this broker has more than 360 branches distributed throughout the United States. Its platform interface is very user-friendly, and it also has a mobile application that gives you access to great tools, reports, and other important elements for any investor. As you can see in our list of the 5 best platforms to invest less than $20 in 2022, it is no longer necessary to have large amounts of money to diversify your investment portfolio. Diversification is a fundamental part of the life of any investor, and a very interesting fact about these platforms is that in most of them, you will also find other extremely popular ways to invest, such as cryptocurrencies and investment funds. According to data from the Federal Reserve, 53% of American families own shares of different companies. This figure represents the historical maximum of records held since 1989. Another interesting fact is that according to the financial analysis portals Seeking Alpha and Statista, the United States is the country with the largest global market capitalization. Now that you have the necessary information about the platforms where you can invest with little money, your next step would be to decide which broker works best for you so you can proceed to select the best stocks to put your money into and get the most financial growth. As always, we wish you the best of success on your investment journey. And since you're here, do not forget to check this episode that's gonna help you complement everything you just learned today. Take care, bye!